Hey everyone, Charisula here, and today I'm going to be starting my lengthy tutorial on the mod pack Voltz. Voltz is like futuristic Minecraft. It includes things that we have in real life, things that we don't, that we haven't gotten to yet. Technology, electricity, even space. So it's pretty cool. Now in this video, since this is just an intro kind of, I'll just be going over the different things that have been added that you're going to need if you want to make stuff. You know what I mean? So start over here. Oh, and all these random things are just decoration. Showing off some stuff. So, first thing we're gonna go over. Oh, and just so you know, I'll get to that later. Now, so the first ore we have to worry about is tin ore. So, tin ore, you can mine with a stone pickaxe, and if you smelt it, you get a tin ingot. Copper ore is the same thing. Osmium is the same thing too, but I'll explain what these ore are. Okay, I'll just go back and explain it there. So tin is more used in crafting. You can't actually make gear out of it, or copper, but they're used in a lot of crafting, needing some better minerals. Now osmium is as strong as diamond, but it breaks faster. It's as common as iron, so it's pretty useful, and it's used in a lot of crafting. Then there's Certus quartz, which is obtained by mining Certus quartz ore. And then you can get some Certus quartz and Certus quartz dust. It's random. Sulfur. Certus quartz you can use to make stuff like you can make like quartz swords and stuff. Oh, why is my sensitivity so high? It's actually not that high. I don't know. Anyway, sulfur. It's used in explosives mostly. You can get like 3 to 6 of it, breaking a piece of sulfur ore, which is always found by lava, only a few blocks away at the most. So if you see sulfur, there's a 100% chance lava is nearby unless someone destroyed it. Okay, so those are all those are all of the naturally occurring ores in this game, except for uranium, which is kind of useless at this point because it's not used in really crafting anything except nukes. And I will get to that once we cover that. So then next are the 2 ingots that you actually have to obtain non-naturally, and very useful, very powerful, and very necessary, and pretty hard to get. So the first is bronze. Bronze ingots are made from 1 tin dust and 1 copper ingot. It gives you 1 bronze ingot. Now you're going to need 2 machines to do this. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. I'll just show you how to get. So there's some machines I'm going to cover. This is an enrichment chamber. Now I've speeded my enrichment chamber and metallic infuser up just to make the video faster. So an enrichment chamber, what it does, here I'll demonstrate. So we have 1 piece of tin ore and 1 piece of copper ore. Now we're going to make these into 2 bronze ingots. So first, in the enrichment chamber, I'm going to plug in my copper ore. It's getting powered from electricity. And as you can see, it made it into 2 copper dust. We're going to do the same thing with the tin. Okay. Next, we need to go over here. And we're going to smelt. This is just a furnace. It's an electric furnace. I just didn't want to have to put materials in. So I'm going to smelt the copper dust to get copper ingots. So with this, you can actually get 2 ingots out of each piece of ore. Which is pretty cool. So then we're going to go over to our metallic infuser. Now we're going to take the tin dust and put it over here. It's going to fill up that bar. We're going to take our ingots and put them here. And now this is going, it does not go this fast. Okay. We got our stuff. Okay. So now we have 2 bronze ingots. Now, steel. This is where you get some options. So there's 3 basic ways to get steel. Method 1. 2 copper dust or 2 tin dust. 1 iron ingot, 4 coal, and 4 wooden planks. will give you 4 steel ingots. Now my favorite one is method 2. 1 redstone dust, 1 iron ingot, 2 coal, 2 wooden planks. When I say wooden planks, it just means that's how many things you're going to need to smelt. We'll give you 2 steel ingots, which is, I think, is the best deal because you can get a lot of redstone. So, then method 3, which is probably the least efficient, is 1 iron ingot, 4 coal, and 1 wooden plank, which gives you 1. I put steel dust. Okay, that's supposed to be ingot. Sorry. So I'm going to go over method 2. So here we have our thingies. So, these have batteries in them. We need to, oh, here, we'll just use this one. Okay, crafting table. So, I'm going to put my iron ingot here, my redstone ingot here. It's going to give me 2 enriched iron. Why didn't I give myself the coal? It's odd. 1 second. Okay, that's better. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put the coal there. And we just put the enriched iron here. This is how fast it actually goes. This one has no speed ups. And this will give us steel dust, which we're going to smelt. In general, you can smelt any dust to get the ingot. Not always. There are some exceptions, for the most part. Yes. Okay. I wonder if that's a lot quicker than I thought. But I'm going to wrap this up. And I'm going to do it in a fun way. Read what this says. Nuclear missile. Okay, I'm not going to explain. This is on a non-laggy computer, and I'm actually going to turn particles on so you can see what it looks like. I'm just trying to reduce lag as much as possible because this thing is lagging me. I'm coming! Actually, it's particle effects. No, the particles didn't work. Oh, whatever. Just a little bit about Voltz. Whoa, all the items got dropped. That's odd. Interesting. Well, I guess that's all for this video. See you guys next time.